Hello children, welcome back to yoga class. So previous class I taught a lot of things, right? I hope you all learned it well. Yeah? Okay children, let's start the lesson. So before moving to our today's topic, we are going to revise our previous portions. Okay? Okay children, so all of you take your Elga book. Elga. Two books are there, no? Your reader and worksheet, both you should take. Okay? Take it fast. Take your Elga book. Okay? Take page number 6. Page number 6. Now first class we learn blend, right? Two blends we learn. That is one SL blend. First one is SL blend and the next one is ST blend, right? Slur blend and stir blend. Okay. So two paragraphs we learn based on this SL and ST blend. Next, Chinese way of eating, right? Previous class we learned Chinese way of writing, right? Yeah, they are full about the country China, right? Yeah. So Neha, she went on a trip to China. There she saw a lot of things, different things, right? Yeah, people they were eating with using chopstick. Then yeah, she saw pandas and also some martial arts. Very good, martial arts. There she saw Great Wall of China. Very good, Great Wall of China. And when she saw people eating using chopstick, she also tried to use chopstick there, right? Yeah, two sticky things that they use to eat their food. Okay. Yeah, then she at last what she said? When she go home, she will show it to her family. Yeah. Okay. Some vocabulary words we learn. Then concept time we learn grammar, right? Yeah, our basic grammar. What we learn? Articles. Yes, cardinal and ordinal number, right? Article, definite article and indefinite article. A and we learn, right? Yeah. Yes, can you say some example for A? Yes, a car, as a house, a pen. Yes, then an, where we can use an? Yeah, before vowel sound we should use article and, right? A-E-I-O-U. Article sound we should, vowel sound we should use an apple, an orange, an onion, an umbrella, an uncle. Yeah, very good. So, these are all what? A and an article. Where we should use the? Yes, specific. When we specify something, we should use and there. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, the there. The red rose, the blue, what? The blue house. Then, yeah, these are all we should use and, the there, right? Yeah, the. A and the. Very good. The next cardinal and ordinal number we learned, right? Yeah, cardinal and ordinal number, can you say where we should use cardinal number? Yes, how much? How much? For that we should use cardinal number 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 7. Okay, this is number, cardinal number. Ordinal number, where we should use ordinal number to show the position, right? First, second, third, fourth. Okay. Yes, very good children. So, this is all about cardinal and ordinal number. Okay. Then next we learned some blends. Yeah, very good. Some blends. That is SP blend and SN blend. Right. SN and SP. Yeah. Okay, there a short paragraph also we learned. Yeah. Okay, children. So, shall we move on to today's topic? Yeah. Before that, I want to ask you some questions about sports and games. Okay, you all love games, right? Yeah. Two types of games are there. That is one indoor game and outdoor game. Yeah. You prefer indoor game or outdoor game? What do you like to play, indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, we should play outdoor games, right? Then it's a very good exercise too. So we should prefer what? Yeah, outdoor games. Okay, children. So indoor game. Yeah. What? Some games, indoor games like caroms, chess. Then these are all what? Indoor games. Outdoor games, which we should play on field, on road, on what? Out. Okay. So that is outdoor game. Okay, children. So outdoor game is a very good exercise to our body, right? Outdoor games means we should run, we should walk, we should do some activities together, right? Yeah. Indoor game, we should sit in our one place and we should play. That is indoor game. Okay. So sports. Can you say some sports which you like? Which you like to play with your friends? Sports. Yeah. Football, cricket, volleyball, kabaddi, hockey, right? Yeah. So these are all some sports which we love to play, right? Yeah. You all like cricket? Yeah? Yes, very good. You all play cricket with your friends? Yeah? In my childhood also, I love to play cricket. Okay, it's one of my favorite sport. Okay. Yeah, so I used to play with my brothers, cousins on street. Okay, street sport. That is street sport. Okay, we used to play street cricket with our friends, cousin, brothers. Okay, yeah. So, do you know how many players are there in a team? In cricket team, how many players are there? Yes, very good. 11 players. Okay. In our cricket match, some substitutes were also there, including in a team. Okay. Why? Because if somebody get injured or some accidents happen, the substitute will play instead of them. Okay, children. So, in around 15 players are there. Okay. In that, 4 substitutes are there. 11 players. Okay, children. So, today we are going to learn about a cricket match. Okay, it's very interesting cricket match. Okay, children? Yeah? Okay, all of you take your book. Take your book and turn page number 13. 13. Okay, the cricket match. The cricket match. Yeah. See, look at this picture. Look at this picture. A stadium is there. Just like our Indian team is on the field, right? Yeah. See, look at this picture. Both the teams are playing. Lot of flags are there. Then what? A person is bowling and a person is batting. So many cricketers are on the field fielding. They are fielding. An umpire is there, right? An umpire, an umpire who, yeah, watch the match carefully and he only what? Yeah, share the scores, right? Yeah. Then, yeah, above that, author is given. Author. Who is the author? Author is the one who writes the story, story, play, and what? Novels, etc. Okay. illustrator. Who is the illustrator? One who creates picture for the story or a play. Okay, children? Yeah. So, Sumit Mehta. Sumit Mehta is the author who wrote this. Okay. Then illustrator Piyush Dawar. Piyush Dauda. Okay. Piyush Dauda is the illustrator. Okay, children? Yeah. So, look at this picture. See, a boy and girl is there, and a girl, she is wearing what? Indian team uniform, and in her hand she is holding Indian flag, right? Yeah. And next to her a boy is there, and he is wearing what? A uniform of Sri Lankan team. Okay. And in his hand he is holding Sri Lankan flag. Okay. So now the match is between whom? Whom and whom? The match is between India and Sri Lanka. Very good. India and Sri Lanka. This girl supports Indian team and this boy supports Sri Lankan team. Okay, children? Yeah. So, Rita goes to watch a cricket match. India and Sri Lanka are playing. So, the main character is Rita and she supports Indian team. Okay. Indian team. And next, match between India versus Sri Lanka, right? Yeah. So, Rita goes to watch a cricket match. India and Sri Lanka are playing. Okay. Yeah. Then Ron sits next to Rita. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Okay. So next character is Ron. So he supports Sri Lankan team. Okay. Sri Lankan team. And he is from Sri Lanka. Okay. He is from Sri Lanka means obviously he will support whom? Sri Lankan team only, right? Yeah. We support Indian team, right? Yeah. So, did you know Sri Lanka is to the south of India? You all know that, right? In our Indian map, Sri Lanka, where it comes? In the south, down, right? South. And you can go there by taking an aeroplane from Chennai and getting off at Colombo. Okay. So, if you want to go to Sri Lanka, first you should take a flight from Chennai and you should get down at Colombo. Okay, children, Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Okay, children, so you should get off Colombo. Okay, so Sri Lanka, it comes at the south of our Indian map, right? Yeah, and if you want to visit Sri Lanka, first you should take a flight from Chennai and you should get off to Colombo. Okay, children? Yeah. Then two characters we saw now, that is Rita and Ron. Okay, Rita is from India and she support Indian team. Okay, Ron is from Sri Lanka and obviously he support Sri Lankan team. Okay, children? Yeah. Turn next page. Yeah. Rita has a poster in Hindi. So our national language is what? Yeah, Hindi. Okay. So in her hand, look at this picture. In her hand, she is holding a poster, right? Poster which is written in the language Hindi. Okay. Yeah. So Rita has a poster in Hindi. Ron has a poster in Sinhalese. So yeah, we hold Indian people hold what? A poster which is written in Hindi language. That is our national language. Like the same Sri Lankan people, they will hold what? A poster which is written in their own language, that is Sinheli. Okay, Sinheli. So, Hindi, India. See, listen children, in your book they have given Ron has a poster in Sinhalese. But actually their language is Sinhala language. Okay, the people who is living there, we call them as Sinhalese. Okay, Sinhala language, people Sinhalese. Okay children, so it is somewhat different given in your book. That is, see, Ron has a poster in Sinhalese is given. Okay, but actually the people who live there is called Sinhalese. Okay, their language is actually called Sinhala language. Okay children, so don't confuse, this is, what can we say, just you write it there. Okay, just take a pencil and note it here that people were called as Sinhalese and their language is Sinhala language. Okay, yeah, all clear? Sinhala language and people Sinhalese. Okay, yeah, so listen, look at their hand, they are holding what? A poster, right? One is in Hindi language and another one is Sinhala language. Okay, yeah. So, what next? Rita drinks Nimbu Pani, Ron drinks coconut water. Okay, so Rita, she drinks what? She drinks Nimbu Pani. What do you mean Nimbu Pani? See, Rita likes or drinks Nimbu Pani. Pani, what do you mean Pani? Pani means water. Okay, Nimbu Pani means what? Water, juice, everything is Pani only. Then Nimbu Pani means lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice. So, Rita, she drinks what? Nimbu Pani. That means lemon juice. And Ron drinks coconut water. Coconut water you all know, right? Tender coconut water. We all love to drink. We all like to drink. It is very healthy too, right? Yeah, so he drinks coconut water. Okay. So Ron, he drinks coconut water. Okay, children? Yeah. Next. Come next. Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Ron cheers for Angelo Matthews. So, both were captains. Okay. So, Indian captain, you all know that Virat Kohli is our Indian captain. Okay. So, Rita, she cheers for Indian captain. Cheers. What is the meaning of cheers? Cheers. Cheers means shouting for joy. Shout for joy. Okay. Or to encourage somebody, to give hope. Okay. To encourage them. If somebody is participating in some competition or some sport, what we should do? What we will do? If they are our favorite, definitely we will cheer them up. Right? Yes or no? Yeah. That is what cheers called. Cheers means it is to encourage them or to give hope to them that you can do it, you can do it. Running race means hurry up, hurry up. We used to say these words, right? Yeah, that is what cheers is. Okay, children. So, Rita, she is from India and she support Indian team. So, Rita jumps for Virat Kohli, our captain. Okay. So, like the same, this Ron, he is from Sri Lanka and he cheers for Sri Lankan captain or his favorite one. Okay, who is that? Angelo Matthews. Okay, Angelo Matthews. So, he is a former captain of Sri Lanka. Okay, former captain of Sri Lanka. Okay, children, Angelo Matthew. Okay, so Ron cheers for Angelo Matthew. And Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Okay, children? All clear this match? Okay. Then next, a ball comes at them, they rush to catch it. So, a batsman, take the ball to what? The audience, and it came near to them. So, both of them rush to catch the ball. Okay, a ball comes at them, they rush to catch the ball. What do you mean rush? Rush to move with a great speed. Okay, rush to move with a great speed. For example, when the last bell rings, or our national anthem, after the bell rings, what you will do? You will rush to go home, right? Yeah. So, what is the meaning of rush? To move with a great speed. To move with a great speed. Okay, children. So, our vocabulary words. Okay, some vocabulary words will be given in your book. No. So, first vocabulary word is poster, that we learned, right? Poster which is in their hand to cheer the players, right? A poster with the Hindi and Sinhala language. Okay, so poster. Next, the second word is cheers. Okay, cheers, a great encouragement, or to encourage somebody to give hope. Okay, or shout for joy. Okay, yeah, that is cheers. So the next word is rush. Next word is rush. What is the meaning of rush? To move with a great speed. Rush. Okay. So, what? A ball comes to them and they rush to catch it. Okay. They rush to catch it. Next. And they bump into each other. And they bump into each other. What do you mean bump? By accident when they are moving or hitting. Okay. Hitting their heads. Okay. Each other. Understand? And when they rush to catch the ball, what happened? They hit each other, or they bump into each other. Okay, children? So, our next word is bump. Bump means by accident when you are moving or hitting someone. Okay, that is bump their head or bump. Okay, children? Yeah? They laugh loudly. Watching cricket is fun. Okay, so they laugh loudly when they hit each other, when they bump each other. They both laughed, and what they said? What? Watching cricket is fun. Okay, understand? So the next word is laugh. Laugh, you all know, right? Laughing, laugh. Okay, children. So this is all about your today's topic. Okay, shall we revise it once? Yeah, the cricket match. Okay, cricket match. Two characters we saw. That is Rita and Ron. Okay, Rita is from India and Ron is from Sri Lanka. Yes, very good. So, next word. Yes, Rita, what happened to Rita? Rita? Yes, Rita has a poster in his hand which is written in Hindi, and Ron, he is from Sri Lanka and he has a poster in his hand with Sinhala language. Okay, yeah. Next, Rita drinks Nimbu pani, lemon juice, Nimbu pani, lemon juice, and Ron, he drinks what? Yes, coconut water. Yes. Then Rita jumps for our Indian captain Virat Kohli, and Ron, he cheers whom? His captain, that is Angelo Matthew. Now he is not there. He is a former cricketer. Okay, so, sorry, former captain of Sri Lanka. Okay, former captain means now some mother is there, and years back Angelo Matthew is the captain of Sri Lanka. Okay, children? Yeah. Then, yes, a ball comes at them. They both rush to catch it. At that time, what happened? Both of them, they bump into each other and they laughed loudly, and they said watching cricket is fun. Okay, children? Yeah? Yes. That's all. Our vocabulary words is poster, cheers. The next, rush. Next is bum. Not bump. It is not bump. B is silent. Okay, bum. Okay, bum. Laugh. Yeah? Okay, children. Now take your worksheet. Take your worksheet, all of you. Worksheet. Till page number 15 I completed everything, and if I fail to say, or if I forget to say that some in between pages, you should do that. Okay? Understand? You should do that. Up to page number 15, previous class I completed. Okay? So now come to page number 16. 16. Tick the correct option. So what is the story about? What is happening in the picture? That you should do. Tick the correct one. Next, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. So a sentence is given and you should do the correct answer. Okay, fill this gap. Next one, fill in the blanks by using your own words. Your own words you should write here. Read each underlined word and circle its meaning. Okay, a sentence is given and in a word they have underlined it, and you should circle its correct meaning. Two options are given, you should circle the correct meaning. Okay, children? So this also you should do. See vocabulary words, cardinal and ordinal number, vocabulary words. Okay. Yeah. Next, page number 18 also you should complete. So 3. That is page number 16, page number 17 and page number 18. You should complete it. Okay, children? Yeah, that's all about today's topic. And thank you for listening the class. Thank you.